Hello, my fellow foodians. Welcome back to Mama Says Kitchen. Now, would you throw away these overripe bananas? No, not me. Stick around and let's turn these into the most delicious banana cakes you've ever tasted. For 6 bananas, we'll need 555 grams of sieved plain flour, 600 grams of caster sugar, 6 medium eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste, 3 teaspoons of vanilla essence, 1.5 tablespoons of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 6 ripe bananas which will be mashed, and 300 ml of sunflower or vegetable oil. We'll start off by adding our eggs and sugar into the bowl and give it a good mix until it is pale in color.
I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks.
So once our mixture is nice and pale in color, we'll be adding the oil and continue to mix until it is well incorporated. We will then go in with our vanilla essence and vanilla bean paste again until well incorporated before adding our mashed banana, and once again continue to mix until well incorporated. So in the description box below, I have listed the minimal amount of ingredients required for this recipe, which calls for the use of 2 bananas. So in my case, I'm using 6 bananas, so I multiplied this by 3. I don't want to hear Mama say, I've got 4 bananas. Please multiply it by 2. Mama say, I've got 8 bananas. I beg, multiply it by 4. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So we move on and add in our dry ingredients, which is our sodium bicarbonate, salt, cinnamon powder, and our flour. Now, you would want to add this gradually because you don't want to put them all in at once, as you will end up finding it difficult to get it to be well incorporated, and also run the risk of activating the gluten. So my advice will be to add it in 3 to 4 portions so that you're able to get it to be well incorporated without being overmixed.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Now I have sped up the video, so it looks like I had it on, a high setting, but I actually had it on low setting because I did not want to activate the gluten. I just wanted it to be folded in.
So catch me if I fall. Praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's facts. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine.
So to ensure that our cakes does not stick to the baking tins, I have a mixture of 1 teaspoon of flour and 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil or sunflower oil, and this will prevent the cake from sticking to the pan. Once all our cake tins has been well greased, we will go ahead and add our cake mixture into the tins in equal amounts. And once this is completed, we will go ahead and tap our cakes tins on the surface of our worktops to get all the air bubbles out of the cake mixture before putting it in the oven, where it will be baked for anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour until it is well done at 160 degrees Celsius.
Our first time, our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time.
And voila, our cake is ready. And to check how well it is done, we'll be doing the toothpick test, where we insert the toothpick into the cake and we expect that it comes out clean with no sticky or gooey looking mixture to it. And that's how we know the cake is done. Once we have established that it is well done, we will take it out for it to cool down for about 5 to 10 minutes before taking it out of the tin. So you know, on this channel we cook all things delicious, mouth-watering and sweet, and today we'll be focusing on the sweetness. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some cinnamon and sugar mix onto this cake, and the boys love it. So for me to be able to achieve this, I'm going to baste a bit of oil onto the surface of the cake whilst it's still hot, and this would allow for it to absorb the oil and also for the cinnamon and sugar to properly stick to the surface of the cake. So for the sugar and cinnamon mix, I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of cinnamon and 1 tablespoon of sugar with about 2 tablespoons of oil, and this is to help it kind of mix well together so that when I'm sprinkling it, it is able to stay well on the surface of the cake.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. Our first time, our first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time.
Wow, see how moist and soft this cake is. It's an absolute must try. So now do you believe me when I say that you can turn those overripe bananas into something amazing, like these delicious cakes? Please be sure to give it a try and get back and let me know how it went, because I'm sure you would love it. And until my next video, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. And also do not forget to put your notification bell on so that you would get the notification when I release my next video. Until then, bye y'all.